Are you guys car lovers? Do you want the best car accessories? If yes, then you have come to the right place. Welcome to Rolling on Wheels. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on notifications by clicking on the bell icon. Buying a car is a big, emotional decision, fraught with layers of research and deep thinking. Likewise, finding the right accessories to complement said vehicle can be an equally dizzying process, whether for adventuring or daily maintenance. Although most modern cars leave the assembly line packed with quality-of-life features, your particular vehicle might not have everything you need. In this video, we will look at what we consider the best car accessories you can buy, all of which are available at an affordable price. Who knows? Maybe you will find something you did not even know you wanted or needed in your life. Maxboost magnetic phone mounts. Do not let diverted driving get the better of you. For less than what you probably spend on dinner each day, you can get yourself a pair of magnetic phone mounts from Maxboost. These little mounts work with any phone and slip right into your car's air vents for simple installation and removal. Of course, you'll have to stick a metal plate on either the back of your phone or sandwich it in the interior of your case for the magnets to work. Each mount uses 4 effective magnets to guarantee your phone won't drop off while you're driving. The reinforced dual-size claw on the back of each support features a rubberized exterior so it won't harm your car's air vents. Best of all, these mounts are easily movable so that you can get the finest viewing angle on your phone from behind the wheel. It has affordable magnetic phone mounts, a rubberized claw that makes for easy installation on car air vents, and a 360-degree swivel. Anker Mini Car Charger. Living in today's connected world, having a charged phone has become a need. Unless you claim a more up-to-date vehicle that came with built-in USB ports for charging, you'll need to invest in a car charger. There are dozens to select from, and many of them will work. But if you're planning on spending any amount of cash, you might as well get a unit from a trustworthy brand. The charger has double-duty twin USB-A ports that pump out a combined 24 watt, enough to supply a full-speed charge to 2 phones at once. Unfortunately, it isn't consistent with Qualcomm Quick Charge. The car charger's super small design preserves space, permitting seamless access to the rest of your dashboard. It has heavy metal, finished with a scratch-resistant aluminum alloy surface to match even the most pristine vehicle interiors. Its gold-plated circuitry reduces heat while charging to maximize charging speed and efficiency. Crosstour 1080-pixel dashcam. In recent years, dashcams have become a trendy car accessory, allowing you to record while driving in case there is an accident. Not everybody wants to spend hundreds of dollars on a dashcam, however, which is why we recommend this affordable unit from Crosstour. It records 1080-pixel video and has a 3-inch LCD screen on the back. This dashcam uses a huge aperture, 170-degree wide-angle lens, and wide dynamic range technology to urge clear footage at night. In contrast, the built-in G sensor will permit the dashcam to identify when there's a sudden shake or collision. If it does, it'll consequently prevent the video from being overwritten, even if it's recording on the loop. Features on this dashcam incorporate loop recording, motion detection, on and off audio, permit plate stamp, timestamp, auto power off, screensaver, and burst photo capability. HOTOR Car Trash Can. No matter how hard you try, you're reaching to end up with the trash in your car. But rather than shoving it in your cup holders, entryway panels, or any other aperture you can find, purchase yourself a car trash can. This flexible unit from HOTOR can be set on the floor of your car or hung from the seat back for easy access. It even comes with a flexible strap, so it can be installed in any place that's convenient to you. This car trash uses waterproof and leak-proof fabric with a solid inner lining. It's simple to wash if necessary, and has sufficient storage to hold a great amount of trash. And if you do not necessarily require it as a trash can, say at the start of a road trip, it's awesome to store snacks and drinks. Drive Auto Products Trunk Storage Organizer. I use my cars for a lot more than just commuting from point B to point C. That's why another suggested car accessory is the trunk storage organizer from Drive Auto Products. Whether you're picking up foodstuffs or needing to put your kids' sports equipment in your trunk, an organizer keeps it all clean. More vitally, meaning things aren't just rolling around from side to side while you're driving. This trunk organizer features 13 add-up panels that have been strengthened with heavy-duty stiff base plates to keep the organizer upright. It uses a revolutionary tie-down strap system, so you'll hook it to a cargo net around your seat backs, or even onto your backseat child security anchors. Use it on your traveler seat for simple access to things while driving, or snared down in your trunk for all your basic supply runs. The organizer is made with premium Oxford fabric, which is long-lasting. Hold on, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get more updates. Now, back to our next spot. ULEEKA Backseat Organizers. If you have kids, save yourself from a potential migraine by getting a set of backseat organizers. This alternative from ULEEKA measures 24 inches by 16 inches and uses flexible beat and bottom straps for simple installation. Water-resistant and machine-washable fabric make for easy care. You can even wipe them down with a moist cloth to keep them clean. Featuring 9 storage pockets, these backseat organizers can store anything from nourishment snacks to water bottles to books. There's moreover a built-in touchscreen tablet holder that will suit any tablet up to 10 inches in size. These backseat organizers are made from 600 denier polyester and come with a 1-year guarantee. Lebogner Gap Filler Pocket Organizer. Make use of that space in between your front seats and your center support with these gap filler pocket organizers from Lebogner. It has likely happened to you, dropping something in between your seats and having to explore trying to get it back. These gap fillers fathom that issue while giving you the additional storage that is easily accessible. They can fit in any gap space between 0.5 inches to 1.6 inches, so make sure you are doing a few measuring before ordering. According to the company, the pocket organizer itself measures 11.8 inches by 4.3 inches and will fit most vehicles. It is made from high-quality, water-resistant polyurethane leather and includes Velcro strips for installation. The 100% lifetime money-back guarantee is nice too. AstroAI Mini Fridge. We know this would not appeal to everyone, but what more excellent car accessory is there other than a mini fridge? This unit comes from AstroAI and can cool up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or keep warm up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it brags 4 liters of storage capacity, giving you the ability to keep half a dozen 12-ounce cans in capacity. Measuring 5.5 inches by 5.3 inches by 8.07 inches, it's compact sufficient to put any place inside your car. After you open up the fridge, there's a removable rack so you can store other little things like yogurt, fruit, or milk. The mini fridge comes with 2 plugs, one for standard divider outlets and one for your 12-volt cigarette lighter container. One thing to note, you should only run the mini fridge while your vehicle's motor is on. Otherwise, it's a chance of draining your car's battery. It's environmentally friendly as well, using a semiconductor refrigeration chip that's free-on-free. Zyllion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. If you have to persevere a long commute with frustrating stop-and-go traffic, you might as well try to relax by getting yourself this convenient back and neck massager. From Zyllion, this ergonomic and compact pillow massager is planned to fit comfortably behind your neck and body, although in your vehicle, it'll be used as a neck massager. It offers powerful, deep-kneading Shiatsu massage hubs along with an advanced warming function that can be effectively turned on or off. Easy-to-use straps allow you to introduce this on your car's headrest, and it incorporates an adapter so you can use it from inside your vehicle. This is also an incredible gift idea if you know anybody who spends a lot of their time stuck in traffic. Nulaxy Bluetooth FM Transmitter. This item recommendation won't offer everyone, but for those who do not have built-in Bluetooth for their car, here is an affordable Bluetooth FM transmitter. It is from Nulaxy, and this specific model is consistent with most devices in today's market, permitting you to play your favorite melodies through Bluetooth, trans-flash card, or auxiliary cable. Additionally, it uses advanced noise reduction technology to deliver quality, clear sound to your car's stereo. A decently sized LCD shows information such as phone calls, the tune playing, and your car's battery voltage. Yes, it has a built-in voltmeter, so you can screen the condition of your car's battery. Then, easily reply to phone calls with a push of a button. You do not have to spend a lot of cash to get the Bluetooth in your car. FM transmitters make the innovation accessible to everyone on a budget. All these car accessories, I think a high-quality product that any driver can use is the best one on our list. So guys, winding up today's content, before wrap-up, subscribe to Rolling on Wheels for watching more and incredible videos in the future. Please stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.